Alexa, add a 2 p.m. meeting with John to my calendar for tomorrow.
And that's just one of many commands you can make with Alexa. Like an Amazon Home device, Alexa built-in enables you to do things from your vehicle such as add appointments to your calendar.
Okay, what day and time?
6 p.m. tonight.
And what's the name of the event?
Coffee with Julie.
I'll schedule coffee with Julie today at 6 p.m.
Turn your home lights on. Ask Alexa general facts.
Alexa, what is the drive time between Chicago and Detroit?
From Chicago, Detroit is 283.1 miles away by car.
Add to your Amazon or Whole Foods shopping carts.
Alexa, add coffee filters to my shopping cart.
And find the nearest GMC dealership. To use Alexa built-in, you'll need an Amazon account. If you don't already have one, you can create one online at Amazon.com. For best results, download the Amazon Alexa mobile app and pair your phone with the vehicle via Bluetooth. This will allow you to sync your contacts and connect to other media services like Spotify. Tap the Apps icon to download the Alexa app. Open the Alexa app. The Alexa setup screen will appear. Tap Get Started. Go to Amazon.com/code on your phone and enter the code shown on the infotainment screen. Or scan the QR code to bring up the login address. Once you're signed in, you can choose how to wake up Alexa. Choose the steering wheel button configuration, and Alexa will replace the vehicle's embedded voice command system. Select Only On-Screen button, and it will require you to push the icon on the screen to wake Alexa. Push the icon or the steering wheel button to make a command. You can ask Alexa to place a call.
Alexa, call Dave.
Calling Dave's mobile.
Send directions to the available navigation system, or play a specific artist. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.